Want to start making some serious cash in 2025, even if you're starting from zero? Trust me, I get it. You see all these people online crushing it, but it feels like you need some crazy skill set or a ton of money to even get started. Well, stick around because in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 easiest side hustles that anyone can start right now. No fancy degree, no annoying boss, no gatekeepers. These are real opportunities. And to make it even easier, we're going to sprinkle in some AI magic to supercharge your success. That's right. We're talking about using free and easy-to-use AI tools to automate tasks and generate ideas. If you're ready to level up your life this year, smash that subscribe button, drop a like, and let me know in the comments. I'm ready. Let's dive in. Alright, first up we're talking about freelance microtasks. Microtasks are small, quick tasks that businesses need help with. Think of it like this. Instead of signing up for a whole construction project, you're just helping install a doorknob. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Clickworker are packed with these microtasks. We're talking writing quick emails, creating basic graphics, managing spreadsheets, data entry, the list goes on. And here's where the magic happens. You can use free AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva to do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. Imagine this. You get a task to write a short product description. You plug the product details into ChatGPT. It spits out an awesome description in seconds. You give it a quick polish, and boom, task completed. Using AI for these microtasks is a total game changer. It lets you work faster, take on more gigs, and boost your earnings. Plus, since these tasks are so quick, it's perfect for people with busy schedules. Whether you've got a 9-to-5, you're a student, or you've just got limited free time, you can easily squeeze in a few microtasks. The startup costs for this? Absolutely zero. You don't need any fancy software or equipment, just your computer, an internet connection, and a willingness to learn. Let's talk passive income, people, because who doesn't love the idea of making money while you sleep? That's where selling digital downloads comes in. This is a fantastic side hustle, especially if you're creative or you have an eye for design. Essentially, you're creating digital products that people can download instantly after purchasing. Think things like planners, resume templates, social media kits, stock photos, website themes, educational workbooks, the list goes on. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and then you can sell them an unlimited number of times without having to restock inventory or deal with shipping nightmares. And the best part? You don't need to be a design whiz to create awesome digital products. Free tools like Canva have got you covered. Canva has tons of templates and design elements that you can customize to create professional-looking products, even if you're a complete beginner. Once you've created your digital masterpiece, it's time to get it out into the world. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip are perfect for selling digital downloads. They handle all the payment processing and delivery for you, so you can focus on creating amazing products and marketing them to your target audience. The startup costs for this side hustle are incredibly low. In fact, you can get started completely for free. Alright, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is a fantastic way to make money online, and the best part is, you don't even need your own website or product to get started. It's like being paid to give recommendations for products you already love. Here's how it works. You find a product or service you love and want to recommend to others. You sign up for their affiliate program, which gives you a unique link to share. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. And guess what? You don't need a massive blog or a fancy website to be successful with affiliate marketing. In fact, social media is your new best friend. Platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram Reels are perfect for sharing your affiliate links and making money. Think about it. You love a certain brand of makeup? Create a quick TikTok video showing how you use their products, drop your affiliate link in the comments, and boom, you're in business. Or maybe you're a fitness junkie. Share your workout routine on Instagram Reels, mention the equipment you use, and include your affiliate links. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to be genuine and focus on providing value to your audience. Don't just spam your links everywhere. Instead, create engaging content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem for your followers. When you build trust with your audience, they're way more likely to click on your links and buy the products you recommend. Some of the top affiliate programs out there include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank. Okay, let's get real for a second. How many of you have a closet, garage, or spare room that's overflowing with stuff you never use? I know I'm guilty, but guess what? One person's trash is another person's treasure, and you can turn all that clutter into cold hard cash by selling on Facebook Marketplace. This side hustle is all about tapping into the power of your local community. It's the perfect platform for getting rid of gently used furniture, electronics you've upgraded from, clothes that no longer spark joy, home goods you're tired of looking at, basically anything you can think of. And the best part? Facebook Marketplace is incredibly easy to use, and it's totally free to list your items. You don't need to create a website, build an online store, or figure out complicated shipping logistics. You simply snap some photos, write a quick description, set your price, and wait for the buyers to roll in. One of the biggest advantages of selling on Facebook Marketplace is that you're connecting with buyers in your local area. This means no dealing with the hassle of shipping costs, packaging nightmares, or worrying about lost packages. Buyers can come directly to you to pick up their items, making the entire process smooth and stress-free. This is a fantastic way to flex your entrepreneurial muscles, declutter your living space, and make some extra cash on the side. Last but not least, we're diving into the exciting world of print-on-demand merchandise, or POD for short. This side hustle is all about unleashing your creativity, designing awesome products that people will love, and then letting someone else handle all the printing, shipping, and customer service. Talk about a sweet deal, right? The beauty of POD is that you don't need to invest in expensive inventory up front. You don't need a warehouse full of t-shirts or mugs gathering dust. You simply create your designs, upload them to a POD platform, and they handle the rest. When someone places an order, the platform prints the product on demand and ships it directly to the customer. You just sit back, relax, and collect your profits. Now you might be thinking, but I'm not a designer. And you know what? That doesn't matter. We live in a world where AI design tools are making it easier than ever to create eye-catching designs, even if you can't draw a straight line. Platforms like Canva, Midjourney, and DALL-E are your new best friends. Canva is perfect for creating simple text-based designs or customizing templates, while Midjourney and DALL-E can generate stunning AI-powered artwork based on your prompts. Once you've got your designs ready to go, it's time to choose a POD platform. Some popular options include Redbubble, Printful, and Teespring. Each platform has its own pros and cons, so it's worth doing your research to find the one that best fits your needs. The earning potential with POD can be substantial, especially if you create designs that resonate with your target audience. There you have it. The top 5 easiest side hustles to start in 2025. No experience needed. We've covered everything from freelance microtasks and digital downloads to affiliate marketing, selling on Facebook Marketplace, and even print-on-demand merchandise. The possibilities are endless. And the best part is, you can start any of these side hustles with little to no upfront investment. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to stop dreaming about financial freedom and start taking action. Which one of these side hustles are you most excited to start with? Drop it in the comments below. I'm genuinely curious to see what you're most passionate about. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. So, pick a side hustle, dive in headfirst, and let's make this your year of crushing it. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this, and share it with a friend who's ready to level up their financial game. Until next time, keep hustling smarter, not harder.